Open up, boy. I'm telling you. Yeah, this is always my favorite garden. I always take pictures and videos here. So yeah, I got on a white tee and I got these denim tears and some J's on, like some red. I think it's red bottom. Yeah, it's red bottom J's, bro. You feel me? So everything looks good, bro. We're looking good. And yeah, I know this video is all over the place, but you guys get the point, man. People are constructing something over there. That's why it's always noisy. So see you guys, man. Yeah, this is always my favorite garden. I always take pictures and videos here. So let's go, man. Let's get it. Just getting on a bike right now, my boys. About to head to school. Bro, the fact that the helmet matches the trip is crazy work. So yep, made it to school. Eugene. They probably got a couple million. They're here to call 5 kilos. Yo, boys, it's unfortunate that our class has been changed. So we are now in the third floor. We always used to be like in the fourth floor, but now we're in this third floor. So I'm about to head to class right now. The third floor. That used to be our class, like up there. But right now we're down here. So let's go, bro. Yo, my brothers. So I'm not done with class yet. Is it even taking me? I'm not done with class yet, bro. But we out for break. I think this is gonna be our last break before we can just go for I think 2 more hours. Then we head home. So yeah, we're for break. And here's the environment, bro. Everything looks clean, bro. Look at it. How's the school right there? The entire thing just looks good, bro. Very calm and collected. Got our drip as usual. So yeah, that's gonna be it, man. Peace. Boys, I had a dope lunch, bro. Because I'm even just enjoying my sweet. Everything looks good. The weather's lit. We got our bottle of water. It's right here. About to head back to class for the last 2 hours. I think it's 2 or 3 hours. Yup. And after that, we're gonna be done for today. And now tomorrow we don't actually have school. Me and class, my boys. Let's get it. Chilling, just coding on Java and stuff like that. Oh boys, we done with exams, man. Just headed back home now. Shit was late as fuck, bro. Excuse my French. Well, I love to cuss a lot, bro. But yeah, man, we're done, bro. The school looks good, as you can see. Crazy. Yep, agreement signed for 180K. So by third Monday, it should be done. Booking is 100K, finish will be 180K. Yeah. How high can it get? How high? Yep. What? Grinding.
When we started Numida, we set out to build the best working capital product for. I ended up postponing, not canceling the migration, but postponing to the 1st of January.
There I'm losing Silicon Valley. Huh? So I'm just headed to school right now. It's the last day of the week, you know, so we're about to go crazy. We're gonna be doing some presentations at school. After that, I'll show you guys what I'll be working on Spring Boot coding and all that stuff. Let's just get ready for the day, bro. I'll let you guys know. Look at the drip, bro. Just like you. Oh shit. Yo, so we at school right now, bro. We're just chilling. I'm about to go to class. I'm late actually, but yeah, I'm just going to class right now, bro. Open up, boy. I'm doing. Yo, boys, I'm about to go to class right now. I'm late, bro. Class starts at 8, and I'm going to class at 9. Crazy. But regardless, yeah, I gotta enjoy the trip, though. Those are the hostels, my boy. Yo, boys, so I just got done with break, bro. And I'm late for class, bro. The entire day I was, can't even speak, bro. I've been so late. The entire day. Class supposed to start at 8. I went to class at 9:30. Break was supposed to be 11:30. I mean 10:30. I got out for break at almost 11:30. And I'm going back to class right now, which is crazy. So, man, it is what it is, though. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This stuff is crazy. So, I just realized as I was editing, I lost this footage. Man, it is what it is, though. Right? Because from here, this was like Friday, right? I think that was just like yesterday. Because, yeah, that was Friday. That was the last day of this vlog. This vlog's supposed to be going up today, right? Because I'm still editing. But, yeah, so what is the context about this, right? So, actually, I was supposed to be going back to class, right? Like after break, obviously, it's supposed to go back to class. So we get break at like 10:30, and then we get back like at 11. I was supposed to make that video. I mean, the part of the video was like, okay, after the break, or maybe what I'm doing in class and all that. I don't usually love to like record in class. I don't know if you guys have realized that. That's just me, bro. I don't like to like pull out the whole camera or maybe my phone in front of people and stuff. I don't know if it's anxiety or whatever. I just don't like that. Yeah, so after that, after the class, we did presentations. After the presentations, like we had like some group work and all that stuff. And then after I think it started raining, you know, we get back home like at 2:30. Started raining. I couldn't get home up to like I think 4. Then I think I went with my friend. We had like some dinner. I think it's dinner with my friends, and then I went to my girlfriend's house. I spent like 30 minutes or something, or maybe an hour. I go back home at like 6 or something. It was already late. I couldn't do anything. I started playing games and there, watching YouTube videos, and I slept off. So that's basically it. Like the entire day just went like that. There wasn't anything spectacular or anything like different or whatever. So that's why I didn't really like. I think I lost the footage or I didn't record. I don't remember. But yeah, yeah, I think you guys will have to excuse me, bruh. You feel me? So that's a wrap for the entire week. And yeah, I'm just gonna let this vlog go up today, which is 11th, 8th November. Yeah. So it's gonna go up today and then should just be planning for the next week, which is gonna be starting on Monday, right? Yep. So weekly vlog, my boys. And I'll give you guys context this coming week on what we've been building actually, because so far throughout the entire vlog, there was nothing about coding at all. You guys haven't seen, like, I've been coding obviously, but you guys haven't seen. I haven't told you guys what I'm working on. But next week, Monday, which is like 2 days from now, I'm just saying it to just make it look like it's far, but it's 2 days from now. I'll show you guys when I start our vlog. I'll tell you guys like the entire details of what we're building, what we're doing, what programming language we're using. But I think throughout the video, I say something about Spring Boot, so just spoiler alert, we're doing Spring Boot with Java by myself, self-teaching. So it is what it is, my brothers. That's gonna be it, the end of the vlog. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week, bye.